like inside the car with the windows up. There's not really any drone except I would say between 2000 RPM and 2500 under a normal or a medium pressure, I guess, on the pedal. But after that, it's actually pretty quiet in here, so it's pretty good. So I'm about to get on the highway here in second gear. In between highways right now, kind of in a junction. Speed limit's a little slower here. Backfires sometimes when I let off the gas. Up, fifth gear, pretty quiet, 100 kilometers an hour, you can barely hear it inside. That's fifth gear. Sixth gear, now all you're hearing is the humming of my tires, really. I'm under 2000 RPM. And it's pretty quiet. Just sounds like the regular F-Sport exhaust if I'm not under heavy load on the gas pedal. So for cruising, long trips or whatever, this setup will be good. You won't get annoyed with the drone, and under hard acceleration it sounds pretty badass. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good setup.